Story time. I had a company email me and reach out with an offer to be an affiliate, which is like a commission-based relationship. You use my link or my code, I get a kickback on sales. Most of you know that I talk about that and disclose that all the time on the channel. Well, they offered me an affiliate relationship with a beard product, a beard care company, and that company happened to be the Beard Club. Now, the one issue with this affiliate offer is I had not tried the products yet. Now, of course, I'm not going to agree to be an affiliate without trying the products first. I also had the company reach out with another offer to cover a product of theirs with a video, and the email that was about this video and about this product had a PDF of like information and talking points. And it wasn't bad. It wasn't anything that really had me worried, but it just wasn't my normal route to making videos and was kind of like, are you saying what I have to say? And I just was kind of confused about it. So I figured, how about I try the product first? And the one that I went with to try is what I think is their most popular one. It's the one I've heard the most about, the one I get asked the most about, and it's the Beard Club Beard Growth Oil. So I went to try this, and the reason why I actually tried it, and the reason why I didn't just delete the email and ignore it, is the blend seemed okay on paper. I'll put it up over here in editing, hopefully if I remember, but I'll put it up over here in editing, and everything on paper checks out and sees fine. Now, as my knowledge and research and personal opinion, is there anything that is like outstanding for beard growth? No. I mean, there's some things that I've found to be good, like castor oil. We don't have a ton of evidence, but I do believe castor oil can help with waking up dormant hair follicles. I know rice bran oil is very promising. I wish they went further on the essential oil side of things because there's some really potent results when we talk about essential oils and hair growth, whether it's peppermint essential oil or several others like actually beating minoxidil in studies, but that's a whole nother video and topic. I wish they went further, but it didn't worry me. There was nothing on there. There's products that I agreed to test and try and make a review for them like, oh, this isn't going to be fun. And sometimes I've been surprised. Normally I'm not though. This one I was like, let's give it a shot. So affiliate offer, gonna try the product. I tried the product. Before I tell you guys the results, I had a rookie mistake, which I'm not a rookie. I went to go pour this in my hand. I saw the top right here. I was like, okay, cool. It makes it so it doesn't leak. And then I went to put it out thinking it's just a dropper top or not a dropper top, apologize, a restrictor cap or an orifice reducer and do this. I tipped that boy upside down. There's nothing there. There is no kind of restrictor or anything to slow the flow, I guess you could say, and just, I ended up with a palm of oil. So the first time I used this, not only did I test it on my beard, I tested it on my elbows. I tested it on my sides. I used it as I use any other beard oil on my body in replace of lotion. So I had a thorough testing even the very first time of using this. With that said, the results were not good. They just weren't. It wasn't bad. It's not the worst oil I've ever used in my life. It's not even top 10. I could literally sit here and name 10 products that have been worse, but it's not good. My beard dried out quickly. It never styled well. It just didn't feel good. It didn't look good. To me, just to be incredibly honest and blunt with my opinion here, it just felt like cheap bulk oil that was from like another part of the world that sat in a shipping container and just... After doing this for 6-7 years now, you start to kind of get a feel for things, and it just felt cheap to me. Now, I don't know if that's true. That's just my experience and my opinion, but that's what it felt like. Now, I went on Amazon on their website to read reviews after trying it just to get some feedback, and I was very confused about their Amazon reviews, specifically the beard growth oil. I went down to the bottom, and this might just be my ignorance of Amazon, not understanding, but it was only for this product listing. I went down to the bottom of Amazon, and the reviews, I always sort by newest because oftentimes I think they can play with what shows at the top, if you know what I mean. And so I went down, and the reviews just didn't make sense. One of the very first ones that was negative said they didn't like the taste and it was like gritty on their teeth. Come again? And then I kept going, and the reviews were on several different products, I'm assuming based on this company. Some of them were like you eat them, others were you apply them. But all those reviews were under the growth oil. So I'm not sure what's up with that, if it's a mistake, if it's on purpose, if it's an Amazon function. I don't really know, but that confused the heck out of me. All I know is this was not good. I will not be accepting the affiliate for them. I will not be promoting their products. I will not be recommending their products, even though the offer was out there. I get those kind of emails all the time. Huge companies, Chinese companies, small companies, new companies, any shape and size. This one, unfortunately is not going to make the lineup for me. But I wanted to make this video because I get asked all the time. That's my best take I can give you guys on it. Not the worst ever, but certainly not good. Not something I would recommend. I believe on Amazon right now, this is $25. Me personally, I can find way better ways to spend that money than on this one. If you are looking for something that is getting you started, that's a little bit more budget, that's readily available, check out things like Honest Amish. Check out Goodfellows at Target. Check out Shea Moisture at Walmart. All of those are budget and fine options, and I'm not affiliated with them at all. They're just better options, in my opinion, than this kind of cheaper feeling type bulk mass product. Don't like doing this, but I got to be honest, and a lot of you have asked, so here's the information. Put your questions down below. Anything about this growth oil, about this company, put your experiences, even more importantly, down below. Have you tried the Beard Club? What is your feedback? If it's the best you've ever used, I always respect your opinion. Please share it. If it wasn't for you, I feel you. I get it. Let us know down below. Thank you guys for watching today. I don't even know if I introduced myself. My name's Dan. I love beard stuff. If you love beard stuff, consider subscribing. If you hit the thumbs up, I appreciate you. And shout out to those returning subscribers. Please stay bearded and stay positive.